Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, as some of you may have noticed by my carburetor video, I'm having trouble getting this thing started. And the last thing I did didn't work, so one of the first things I probably should have done was actually check and see behind here, which we're on the left-hand side of the bike as you're sitting on it. Under this cover here, that's right above the kickstart, should be the air filter anyway. And I'm using a impact screw gun. You don't need to use one. In fact, I would highly suggest not doing this really fast and really kicking these off, because if they are going into just a plastic, I'm not sure what it is, but if they are, you can melt the plastic if you run these too fast. Alright, that should take the cover off. Ew, I was worried about that. This definitely has some oily blow-by going into here, which is probably not a good thing. So, I definitely need a new filter, for sure. And it looks like there's a metal piece that goes around, so definitely before you go throwing this away, you might want to make sure that probably you keep the metal part and just throw this part away. But don't throw this away until you have another one in your hand, so you know. And I'm just going to stick that back in the way it was. I'm going to go online and I'm going to order a new one of these, because this is nasty. And I went and ordered a new filter. And I'm going to show you a little clip of what I got here. And I went on Amazon, found the cheapest filter I could find, and bought it. Caveat on that is actually this is not the Honda Metropolitan air filter technically. What this is, and this is where I say I'm not responsible if you do something I do. If you don't like the way I do it, don't do it. If you hurt something on your vehicle because you do something I do, I'm not responsible. Alright, after that I went and bought the Briggs & Stratton, but it's not. But if you go and look up for the Briggs & Stratton air filter for like lawnmowers and riding lawnmowers, I believe is what these are off of, probably 491588S. A lot of stuff will come up on Amazon, and if you look through that further, you'll find that this one here, made in China, and it has number of X001, and I don't know if that's an L or an I. I'm gonna see, I can't get in there tight enough. It's either an L or an I. I would say LQUSXZ, since that's all starting with letters after that, so I would say that's probably an L. Anyway, so we're going to say X001LQUSXZ. That's the number that's on this package here. I don't know if that was on the Amazon one, but it's the made in China version ripoff of Briggs & Stratton air filter. I got five air filters. They're individually packaged inside this individual package, inside the box here, I suck at knowing how much I spend on things, but I'll tell you, it was, I think, less than, we'll say less than $13. I think it was well less than that, but it was less than one Briggs & Stratton one anywhere else, I know that, or at least close to the same. And I got five, and I got some actual lawnmowers I think those will work on. So regardless, you can choose to do that or not. I went this route because it was definitely cheaper. So now you know what I'm using. We're going to take it, and this fits kind of crooked in here, but it fits in here. And you just put this back on and put in the screws. Just that simple. Super, super easy. You don't have to pull anything other than this off. It's not like you have to pull off all the body panels or anything like that. So far I haven't had to do that. Once again, don't go really fast because you are just kind of going into plastic. So I will be finishing these off with a screwdriver. Well, that was a fairly easy deal there. I actually got the bike running, so go check out my carburetor videos. In fact, just go to my playlist and there'll be several videos on this scooter. Go check them all out. I'd appreciate it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit my little face at the end of this video, and that'll help you subscribe. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.